Angels we have heard on high.
Hello friends, so let's finish up the Christmas preparation, and this is the list that I always do every year, and I put what I'm going to cook and what day I'm going to cook. So there is a soup, there is a fish in a Greek sauce or Greek style fish, mushroom salad, it's a compote from the dry fruit, and I'm going to do every year I do is a buckwheat with mushrooms, and it's so delicious. Me and my sister, we always had that in our table. So let's start with the first dish. It is going to be the yes, you guessed well, it's beans, but these beans are going to be with sauerkraut. So while beans are cooking, let's prep the pan so we can fry the onions. And of course, me having so much on the head, I forgot that the pan is on. And the oil is frying with no onions on it. Oh gosh, thank God they didn't burn. So I fried all the onions, and part of them I pull out, and to one of these pans I added the sauerkraut because I'm actually going to do two recipes at the same time. So one is going to be a sauerkraut with mushrooms, and the second part of the sauerkraut is going to go for the sauerkraut with the beans. So just basically add salt, pepper, and I like a little bit of a nutmeg, and then to the second pan just add that boiled and already softened up beans. I soaked them overnight, and then I added a little bit of the caraway seeds, salt, pepper of course, and a little bit of a vegeta. And then I was like, okay, let's pull out all the containers so I can put them out, and oh god, where are they? Of course they were the deepest out that I could put it on. So I just put everything in the separate containers, and those two dishes are done.
Oh, come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him.
And now it is time to make the fish in a Greek sauce. So for that I'm going to need to grind veggies, and I was like, yay, I have a food processor, and I'm like, oh god, how do you put that together? So I bought it and I never used it, so a while later I finally was able to figure it out. So this is the veggies that I prepped a day before, and it is so easy to have them done because this way I have them ready. I don't have extra mess in my kitchen. So for that, when they are all grinded, just pour the oil on the pan, fry the onions, add bay leaf, allspice, and all the veggies that we just grinded, and you just have to just fry them to soften up, add salt, pepper. The one trick, only remember to add quite a lot of oil because it will burn and they're going to be dry. And when they are softened up, just add a lot of tomato sauce. And the last thing to add to that is sugar. Yes, when I was on my university living in a dorm, I wanted so much of that salad. And I was like, okay, I'm going to make it. And I was like trying. I put it the salt, I put it the pepper, all the spices, and I could not figure it out what's the problem. Why it doesn't taste the same as in my house when my mom makes it? So finally I called her and she's like, did you add sugar? I was like, I don't know. Yep. So always remember to add sugar to it. And next thing, we have to start with the fish. So this is the basa fish, B-A-S-A. I buy it in the Chinese store. It's like ready fillet. So let's beaten up some eggs, put some all-purpose flour in a separate plate, and we're just going to dip the fishes in flour, egg, and then we'll fry that on the oil. That your choice of oil. I always use avocado oil, and just fry them on both sides. And everything we need to assemble when the fish is warm, because all the tastes are going to develop when the fish is still warm. So 2 of the fishes I actually grabbed it and gave it to my husband. So this fish in a Greek style, you can eat warm or cold. So for the actual Christmas, we are going to have that as a cold salad. And when all the taste, all the flavor goes through, it is so good, trust me. So now just layer fish, veggies until you run out of everything. Leave it in the refrigerator, and it's the best the next day or even 2 days later. I prepared 2 days before Christmas, so it has a time to develop the flavor. And now another salad is the mushroom salad. I think it's my favorite and the easiest one. Just wash your mushrooms, put them in a pan, add water, and boil them. When they are softened up from boiling, pull them up, drain them out, and you need to squeeze the juices out. While the mushrooms were actually cooling down, I decided to cut the eggs, and they need to be cut in small cubes. And also for the salad, you're going to need leek, salt, pepper, and mayo of your choice. Just make sure you have a good mayo. I never buy light mayo because I don't know, the taste, it's not my favorite. For that salad I used Polish mayo. I'm going to link that mayo in the Amazon description for you guys. And the next day, that salad, oh my god, it is so good. So look how much juice that was left behind. This is why I always squeeze out those mushrooms, so your salad won't be watery. And the next day, salad is so flavorful, so delicious.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore.
And I'm sorry I didn't have time to record the rest, but this is a quick glam into my like a cake, I would say. It's a honey cake with a pecan, honey, and butter. And the day before, I like to assemble the table. So there is one more tradition in a Polish Christmas. We set extra setting for a guest for unexpected guests, someone who has no one to be with, someone who just came by asking to sit with you guys. This is our culture that we love to host. We love hospitality. We always say guest home, God home. Friends, I wish you Merry Christmas and all the
Angels we
blessings.
have heard
See you
on
next
high,
time.
sweetly singing o'er the plains.